Hi, I'm Shriteja, co-founder of Swipe. Swipe allows Indian SMEs to create bills easily, share it through WhatsApp or email, along with payment options to collect payments faster. So we have these sections to manage the sales, purchases, and the quotations you send to your customers, all the payments, and your inventory and the products you have, and your customers and vendors, and the expenses across your organization at a single place. Let me quickly show you how to create a bill on Swipe easily. Go to create invoice and select a customer, select the product you're selling. You can even add multiple products. You can customize these prices. You can add discounts. You can even add packaging and transport charges. Select the bank and add notes and terms and conditions to the customer. Select a signature and save. So in few seconds, you can create a bill with all your company details, your logo, the customer details you have selected, the billing and shipping details, and the product details along with the tax computation. We automatically calculate based on the tax percentage and the product pricing. We calculate the tax and along with the bank details with the payment options, the notes and terms and conditions you have for the customer. So in a few seconds, you can create a bill easily. Similar to sales, we have purchases section where you can maintain all your purchases. So you can easily create a purchase order. This is very similar to like how we created a bill in sales. So here you have your company details, all the vendor details, the products you are purchasing from him at what cost, and payment details. So this is the quotations section. This is very similar to sales. So in a few seconds, you can now create your sales and the purchases, and you can send quotations to your customers from a single place. Now coming to the payment section, when you're creating a sale, you can record a payment when you collect payment from the customer, and based on this, the status of the sale is automatically updated. So in the payment section, you can select one of the customers, and here you can see the entire transaction history of that customer. So you can see what are the sales you did and what are the payments you have collected from this customer. You can even share this ledger with your customer easily on WhatsApp. So here we have the inventory. While you make your sales and purchases, we automatically track your inventory. And this is the product section where you can add new products and edit the details of the existing products. And this is the customer section where we maintain all your customer directory along with the closing balances. You can get to know easily from how much balance that is left for each customer. You can even send messages to all your customers, send offers, greetings from a single place. And this is very similar to customers. This is all the vendors you are purchasing from. And this is the expenses section where you manage all the expenses. In our organization, we have different categories to record your expenses. Now, in the analysis section, we give you different analytics based on how you're performing, how your business is, your profit and loss statement, the top products you're selling, top customers you have, and different payment analysis. And coming to the online store, we give you a link for you. This is your online store where you can choose to display the products you want to sell online and share it with the customer. Customer orders from here, selects and place order. Then customer can directly pay from here after ordering, and you receive this on your dashboard. So you can choose to accept or cancel this order, and you can create directly a bill from here and share it with the customer and collect the payments faster. Now in the sales summary, you can see all the sales per price per customer based on the date range you have selected. So you can even download the sales for your analysis. So after recording all the sales and purchases, you can simply select the current month and choose to download all your sale data, which actually gives you the instant report to file your taxes via Swipe. Thank you.